In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on QuickBooks Online. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This is where QuickBooks groups together different tools and features, so if you're not immediately seeing the payment option on your home screen, this is the place to go. Once you open All Apps, select Sales and Get Paid. This section is designed to help you manage incoming payments, customer activity, and sales-related tools all in one place. After that, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a general summary of your sales and payment options, and it's also where you'll find the feature needed to create a payment link. Now, on this page, look for the Request Payment option. Click on that, and then choose Payment Link. This is the feature that allows you to create a shareable link that you can send to a customer so they can make a payment online. It's a convenient option if you want to collect payments quickly without creating a full invoice workflow for every situation. If this is your first time using payment links in QuickBooks Online, you may see a setup process appear on the screen. This is completely normal. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm or configure your payment settings before the feature becomes available. Just follow the prompts shown on your screen and complete the setup as directed. In most cases, the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Make sure to read each screen carefully so your payment link feature is set up correctly. In this example, I'm using a demo environment, so I'm not able to go through the full setup process here. However, when you do this in your own account, the instructions should be simple and easy to follow. Just continue through the setup until QuickBooks confirms that payment links are ready to use. And that's it. Once you've completed those steps, you'll be in the right place to create a payment link in QuickBooks Online. If you're following along in your own account, take your time during the setup stage, especially if it's your first time, and you should be ready to start requesting payments online with ease.